If you're getting no audio or your sound keeps cutting out during gameplay, especially if it randomly comes back when you alt tab, you're definitely not the only one. Tons of FragPunk players have reported the same issue, but the good news is that there are several reliable fixes you can try. This guide walks you through them step by step so you can get your audio working normally again without digging through complicated menus. First, try disabling exclusive mode in Windows because this setting often interferes with how certain games handle audio. Right-click the speaker icon in your taskbar, open Sound Settings, scroll down, and click More Sound Settings. Under the Playback tab, right-click your main audio device, choose Properties, and go to the Advanced tab. Uncheck the box that says Allow application to take exclusive control of this device. Hit Apply and OK. For a lot of people, this single change fixes the issue instantly. Next, try running FragPunk as an administrator and disable full-screen optimizations. Right-click the game shortcut or the .exe file, choose Properties, go to Compatibility, and check both boxes. This can help prevent audio dropouts that happen when the game launches in full screen. You should also check your audio drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers can cause strange audio issues. Open Device Manager by pressing Win+X. Expand sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click your audio device and select Update Driver. If you're using NVIDIA Audio, reinstalling the NVIDIA HD audio driver through GeForce Experience can help as well. Another fix is verifying your game files. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click FragPunk, select Properties, go to Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will automatically repair any damage or missing files. If things still aren't working, try resetting your in-game audio settings. Open the game, go to Settings, then Audio, and look for the option to restore defaults. Restart the game afterward and see if the issue improves. Also, make sure your headphones or speakers are set as the default device in Windows. Go into your device properties, open the Enhancements tab, and disable all enhancements. And believe it or not, launching the game directly through Steam instead of a desktop shortcut has helped some players get their audio back. To improve things even more, you can test different output formats in the Advanced Audio settings. Switching from high-resolution audio to a standard format sometimes stabilizes sound. Try unplugging and reconnecting your headset or switching to a different USB port if you're using USB audio. Wireless headsets may need a quick repair or firmware update to prevent random dropouts. Some users even fix the issue instantly by toggling spatial audio on and off. If you use third-party EQ apps, mixers, or virtual audio devices, temporarily disable them. These often interfere with game audio without you realizing it. Small adjustments like these can make a big difference and save you from having to reinstall the entire game. If all else fails, checking FragPunk support or community forums can give you updates in case a patch or hotfix has already been released.